before today, the traders over here were working on a self-help basis. But today, the City District Government Karachi has joined in the process, and they have assured the traders that the reconstruction work will continue at a very brisk pace, which we can see over here as laborers continue to toil away.
Like the building set ablaze, the affected trading community, critical of the authorities from the onset of this emergency, are beginning to cool down. This is a sea change from before, when traders lashed out at everything, beginning from the slow response of authorities at the time of initial rioting to the rescue effort following the outbreak of fire, leading up to the time until the fire was put out.
सिटी नाजिम साहब ने हमारे साथ एक बहुत बड़ा अच्छा पैकेज दिया है कि हम आपकी मार्केट बना के देंगे पूरी और दूसरी मार्केटें बनाएंगे। उन्होंने कहा कि कराची में जितने भी तरक्याती काम हैं हमने सब रोक दिए हैं और रोकने के बाद हम जितनी मशीनरी अपनी है हम इधर ले आए हैं और इंशाल्लाह ताला आपको 2 हफ्ते के अंदर मार्केट तैयार हो जाएगी इंशाल्लाह।
And it is not the CDGK alone that is being lauded, although certain complaints remain.
अब सिर्फ हमारा जो प्रॉब्लम आ रहा है वो लाइट का, मतलब अभी तक हमारे लाइट वालों ने कुछ नहीं किया, वाटर ग्रिड वालों ने भी मतलब हमारे साथ बड़ा कोऑपरेट किया है।
While the reconstruction work has offered a ray of hope to the beleaguered traders, it is monetary compensation for the billions and billions that have gone up in flames, which remains a thorny issue.
ये कहा कि आप लोग फॉर्म भर दें और आपका नुकसान हम दे देंगे। वो तो इससे पहले 98 में हमारी दुकानें चली थी, आपने देखा, उसके अंदर भी हमारे साथ कोई कोऑपरेट नहीं किया।
Despite past experiences, traders do see more determination on part of the government. Promises of interest-free loans and creation of the 3 billion rupees victims fund are good news. But in a country where corruption is rampant, questions remain about the process through which the money is to be channeled to the affected traders. And it is the traders who are asking these questions.
हमें मतलब ये कहते हैं कि इन्होंने इतने करोड़ दे दिए, उन्होंने उतने करोड़ दे दिए, मगर ये किसको किसके पास जाएंगे और कैसे मिलेंगे? कोई तरीकाकार होता तो कोई समझ में, अभी तक कोई हमें तरीकाकार का पता नहीं है।
It is important that the authorities do not rest on their laurels. This is only the beginning of reconstruction. 22 buildings and over 1,500 shops were gutted in the madness that followed the Ashura blast. CDGK has started work on only a few buildings, and their initial efforts are only covering 285 shops.
So this is basically the first step in one of the biggest tasks that lies ahead of the City District Government Karachi and the authorities, and also their responsibility to ensure that such incidents do not take place in the future. From what now is the remaining skeletons of the Bolton Market, this is Hussain Dada for Dawn News, Karachi.